Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can add age verification to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below on this video and click on the link in the description. When you're going to do it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of them is age verification, and you can actually implement it to your website without programming. So let's click here, sign up for free on the right top corner. Right here you want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's up to you. And when you got it, click login. Here you're gonna have applications, and in the search you want to write age verification. And now in age verification you want to click create a widget. And here you can choose between whiskey, default, beer, right? And I'm going like with this one. It's like up to you which one you choose. Like for example this one here, Rastafarian, and continue with the template. Now minimum age, let's go like with 21, right? A verification method, yes, no buttons. You can remember visitor, underage action, where to display. And then you have content here that I'm going to change the text buttons. No button, I'm over, I'm not under. By entering this site, you are agreeing to the terms of use and privacy policy. You can also add logo. And let's just click save now, right? When you're gonna save, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you have already, I don't know, 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. So let's just copy the code now. And here you want to simply add a empt, custom empt on your Wix website, empt widget. Make it like this. Or even bigger if you want to. It's really up to you. Like here, enter a code, update. Voila, here we got it. I can make it also like this. And if I'm going to preview the website, it's going to block me. But I recommend like having it on full, literally on full website. Just have it on full when someone is going to enter, right? And look at this. So right now, this is not going to work. See, and voila. But you want it centered here in a top. So yeah. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And have a great day and goodbye.